Soda drinks are fun due to the tingly sensation they provide. This tingly sensation is due to the carbon dioxide gas dissolved in the soda drinks. Let us make a soda drink volcano today. You need a 500 ml soda drink. You will also need 3 Mentos mouth fresheners. Choose an open place as the experiment can get messy. Keep the Mentos unwrapped and ready. Uncap the soda drink. On the count of 3, I am going to drop the 3 Mentos candies into the soda drink and step back. 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Whoa! That was thrilling, right? The Mentos candies have millions of tiny surface holes. These holes allow the dissolved carbon dioxide gas to escape all at once. The escaping gas also pushes the soda drink out of the bottle. Amazing, isn't it?